Hey, so if your Canva docs aren't syncing properly, like changes aren't updating across devices or uh, your work isn't showing up, yeah, that can be really frustrating. But don't worry, this is usually fixable. I'll walk you through it step by step, so let's get into it. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Canva Docs relies on real-time syncing, so a weak connection can stop updates. Next, refresh the document on both devices. Yeah, this can force Canva to reload and sync the latest changes. Now, make sure you're logged into the same Canva account on all devices. If you're using different accounts, your documents won't sync. Sometimes sync delays happen because changes haven't fully saved yet. Wait a few seconds and check for the All Changes Saved message. If it's still not syncing, log out of your Canva account and log back in. This can reset syncing issues. Now, clear your browser cache and cookies. Yeah, this helps fix problems caused by outdated data. If the issue continues, try opening Canva Docs in another browser or device to see if the problem is specific to one setup. Also, browser extensions can sometimes interfere with syncing. Try disabling them temporarily and test again. And yeah, sometimes Canva servers might be having issues. Check their status page to confirm if there's a problem. So yeah, that's how you fix Canva Docs sync problems. One of these steps should get your documents updating properly again. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.